viewers, welcome back to your own channel Astro Planning Forecast. Today we are going to talk about Taurus, the individuals known for their strong determinations, patience and their ability to make a decision from the depth of the heart. The period from April 1st to April 5th, 2026 may open doors in your life that you may never have imagined. The movement of the stars is indicating that these few days will not be ordinary for you. Instead, they may reveal certain hidden opportunities capable of changing the direction of your future. If you have been feeling obstacles, delays, or a sense of frustration in your life recently, the universe now seems ready to open a new chapter for you. But remember, destiny always supports those who move forward with courage and belief. Starting April 1st, you may begin to feel a shift in the energy around you. For many Taurus individuals, this period could become very important in terms of financial matters. An opportunity might appear that could help increase your income, or you may come up with an idea for a project that could lead to significant success in the future. If you are involved in business, there is a strong chance of receiving good news through a new deal, a new client, or even an unexpected financial gain. Those who are employed may also experience an interesting phase as recognition from the senior, new responsibilities, or even hints of a promotion could appear. However, one important reminder is to avoid making rushed decisions. Evaluate every opportunity wisely, because sometimes even a small mistake can turn a great advantage into a loss. When it's come to love and relationship, these days hold special significance for Taurus individuals. If you are already in a relationship, you may feel that the emotional connection between you and your partner or spouse is becoming stronger than before. Conversation from the heart may follow more easily, and misunderstanding that might have appeared in the past days could finally begin to fade away. For those who are still single, this period may also bring surprising moments, a new meeting, or an old friendship reconnecting, or an unexpected message awaken new hope within your heart. However, it is important not to place complete trust in someone too quickly. Try to understand people with time, because genuine relationship always grow stronger through patience and wisdom. In family matters, these few days may bring a sense of stability and emotional comfort. Your connection with family member may improve, and there is also a possibility that an old issue finally finds a solution. Some Taurus individuals may even receive happy news related to family or witness a movement that brings smiles to everyone faces. If you have been feeling distance from a close relative recently, circumstances may arise that allow you to reconnect and reduce emotional gaps. Always remember that family is a strength and that support a person through even difficulty, which is why valuing these relationships is extremely important. In the field of education and personal growth, these days also carry meaningful potential. Students preparing for an exam, a competition, or an important stage of life may find that their hard work begins to show promising results. Your focus and mental clarity could become stronger than usual, allowing you to complete even challenging tasks with greater ease. Likewise, individuals who wish to improve themselves, learn a new skill, or develop a talent may find this time beneficial. Sometimes small decisions in life open the doors to major opportunities in the future. If your heart is guiding you toward a positive change, do not let the opportunity slip away. Another interesting aspect during this period could be the awakening of your inner strength and intuition. Taurus individuals are usually very practical thinker, but during this day, your heart and mind may work together in perfect harmony. You might suddenly receive ideas that later turn into successful plans. If you are thinking about starting a new project, working on something creative, or making a major life decision, this period may provide clear signals about the direction you should take. The universe often communication through subtle signs, and which individuals are those who recognize these signals. However, a small caution is also necessary. Around April 3rd, some Taurus individuals may feel a little mental pressure or confusion. The stress may mostly come from responsibilities or overthinking about the future. Therefore, it is important to give your mind some peace, spend time with positive people, and try to avoid unnecessary worry. Remember that every great dream requires patience and consistency. So keep trusting yourself and continue moving forward step by step. Overall, the period from April 1st to April 5th, 2026 appears to bring a message of hope, opportunity, and positive transformation from Taurus individuals. If you listen to your heart, make a wise decision, and continue believing in your hard work, these few days could bring a new light into your life. Sometimes a single step can lead a person toward great success, and this might be the very moments when destiny being opening a new doors for you. Viewers, if you enjoyed this tourist prediction and you want more powerful, interesting, and eye-opening videos that reveals the hidden secrets of your destiny, then make sure to hit the like button on this video right now. Also, don't forget to tell us in the comments what your zodiac sign is and whether this prediction connect with your life or not. Your comments truly motivates us to create even more amazing and insightful videos for you. And make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can also discover the more important signs about their zodiac signs and learning about the exciting prediction coming their way. For more powerful and fascinating star readings, be sure to follow our channel Astro Planet Focal. We'll see you in the next video with another new prediction and more hidden secrets of destiny.